Hello everyone. Welcome to Chapter 5 from Unit 1 Principles of Yoga and Practices of Healthy Living. Yoga is an ancient Indian tradition that has been practiced for over 5000 years. It is a way of life that integrates the body, mind, and spirit, promoting physical health, mental clarity, and spiritual growth. However, beginners often find the vastness of yoga overwhelming. To simplify, understanding a few basic principles can help in grasping its core philosophy and practice. Now, let us try to know the fundamental principles of yoga. The principles of yoga are based on Yamas, that is ethical restraints, and Niyamas. And Niyamas are nothing but self-discipline. These two are the first steps of Patanjali Ashtanga Yoga. Now coming to Yamas. Yamas have 5 sub-principles which has to be followed. That is Ahimsa. Ahimsa means non-violence. Satya, truthfulness. Asteya, non-stealing. Brahmacharya, celibacy or self-control. And Aparigraha, non-hoarding or non-possessiveness. Then, the next principle is Niyama, self-discipline. In this, there are 5 sub-principles, that is Saucha, cleanliness, Santosha, contentment, Tapas, self-discipline, Swadhyaya, self-study, and Ishvara Pranidhana, surrender to a higher power. By following these principles, one can develop self-discipline, inner peace, and a healthy lifestyle. Now, let us know the essential yogic practices for a healthy life. Yoga follows 3 main principles: relaxation, exercise, and diet. Along with these, it also emphasizes positive thinking, proper sleep, and recreation to maintain a healthy and balanced life. Now let us know about relaxation and its benefits. A relaxed body works more efficiently because it conserves energy and reduces unnecessary strain. When the body is tense, it uses up more energy, leading to fatigue and stress. Scientific studies show that relaxation techniques like Shavasana, also known as corpse pose, and deep breathing lower cortisol. Cortisol is the stress hormone, and this improves overall health. Slow and rhythmic breathing plays a key role in connecting the body and mind. Breathing deeply and evenly through practices like pranayama increases oxygen supply to the brain, lowers heart rate, and activates the parasympathetic nervous system, that is PNS. And this helps the body enter a state of rest and repair. Research shows that slow breathing improves lung function, reduces blood pressure, and decreases stress levels. A calm mind helps in making better decisions and handling stress effectively. Regular yoga and meditation increase GABA levels in the brain, which promotes relaxation and reduces anxiety. GABA is gamma amino butyric acid. Studies also indicate that yoga enhances activity in the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for focus, decision making, and emotional regulation. This is why people who practice yoga regularly feel more confident and handle challenges with clarity. By following these relaxation techniques, the body and mind function in harmony, leading to better health, improved stamina, and greater emotional stability. Proper exercise. Yoga postures or the asanas improve flexibility, strength, and circulation. They help in strengthening muscles and ligaments, enhancing joint flexibility and prevent pain or injuries, and also improving blood circulation and overall body functions. Proper diet. What we eat influences both our body and mind. And yoga emphasizes a balanced diet. A balanced diet boosts mental clarity and physical health, prevents obesity and lifestyle diseases, enhances spiritual awareness. In yoga, proper diet is called mitahara, meaning moderation in diet. Food should nourish the body, keep it light, and strengthen the immune system. Yoga also emphasizes positive thinking and meditation. The way we think shapes our life. Positive thinking promotes peace of mind and emotional stability. And the meditation helps in removing negative thoughts, improving focus and self-awareness, and enhancing overall well-being. Sufficient sleep. Good sleep is essential for physical recovery, mental rejuvenation, and emotional balance. Practicing yoga and relaxation techniques can improve sleep quality. Yoga also gives importance to recreation. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Engaging in recreational activities like hobbies, music, or outdoor activities helps in maintaining mental and emotional balance. Yoga also incorporates principles related to ahara, vihara, achara, vichara, and vyavahara. Ahara is proper diet, that is eating nutritious food, and vihara is recreation, engaging in healthy leisure activities. Achara is conduct, developing positive habits and attitudes. Vichara is thinking, maintaining positive thoughts. Vyavahara is actions, performing right actions with awareness. Yoga is more than just physical exercise. It is a holistic lifestyle. By incorporating these principles like relaxation, exercise, proper diet, positive thinking, sleep and recreation, one can lead a healthy, balanced and fulfilling life. Thank you.